Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these baked buffalo chicken strips. This is a super quick and easy recipe and perfect for when you have a hankering for hot wings or something like that, but these are going to be a lot more heart healthy and kidney friendly because these are baked and not deep fried, and they are much lower in sodium. So let's get started. All right, so I have my oven preheating at 425 degrees, and I have all of my ingredients measured out here. This here is just some all-purpose flour, and we have panko breadcrumbs that we'll use for the batter. The recipe calls for a pound of chicken tenders. I just cut up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs because that's what I have on hand. And now we're gonna get our wet mixture together. So this is 1/4 cup of melted butter, and we're going to add to this 1/4 cup of hot sauce, a low sodium hot sauce. Tabasco is a great one. And this is 1 beaten egg. We'll add that in. And lastly, we'll add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. That'll add a lot of great flavor. And we'll just whisk this together. Okay, and that is coming together. And now we have our wet mixture. Alrighty, so now we are going to bread our buffalo chicken strips. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a chicken here, and the order that you do this in is first you just dip your chicken in your all-purpose flour, dip it into your hot sauce mixture, and then coat with the panko breadcrumbs. All right, and then you're going to line your chicken strips on a greased baking sheet. All right, so I'm going to finish breading all of this chicken, and we will cook our chicken strips at 425 degrees for 20 minutes or until they reach an internal temperature of 165. So our chicken strips have come out of the oven and they are ready, and here is the final product. I've plated mine with chopped up veggies and a low sodium ranch dip for dipping, but these would also be great with other sides like roasted vegetables or rice. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy the recipe.